Looks like the pigeon coop fell over. God damn it, the pigeon coop fell over. Alright, we could fix this. The only thing we could really do is just, bless you, is just push it back over.
Okay.
And this is gonna, when we push it over, this might break or do something crazy. Get a hand over here. Hold it somewhere that's not broken glass in case it comes down. Try to bring it down. You guys all okay?
I was walking sideways.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. No, let's push it back up first.
Okay. Woke up knick-knack last night.
Yeah.
It's surprising that it didn't wake either of us up. Your
You
camera
ready?
might blow away, you realize?
You ready? What are we fetched up on? What do we need?
It's a good quarter of an inch on there.
Ah.
Yeah. A baby bird dog. Right there.
Dad? You alive? All right, your egg's okay. Incredible. All right, so let's assess the damage. The monkey cage is a little banged up and floppy-doppy. Jesus Christ. It's still whipping. There's a hole broken there. This is kind of ganked up. The sink ripped out there. No big deal. Got a bit of a mess in here. A bunch of eggs popped. But the birds are pretty okay. Coop still feels plenty sturdy. Holy smokes. Look, the tree whipped down and took some of the tar paper off that roof, so we'll cut this tree. And on this side, I got this back down, but it's not attached, and well, it's all fucked up. So we'll have to repair this skylight. Okay, so first I'm just gonna cut this big branch off because it's whipping against the roof here and the wind's so strong. I'm afraid it's gonna take more than some of the tar paper off. I'm gonna rig the hoist to it so when I cut it over there, the whole damn thing doesn't fall into the backyard, clobber something. Let's just study this for a little bit. Because when the wind comes, it really pulls this tree. I'm afraid it's going to pull the hoist and take me with it. And we bring it over. Ah, Jesus Christ. The wind picks up rather suddenly, you know? Oh, oh! There it goes. Come on! Oh! There it goes. Oh! It's a big branch. Ugh. I just kicked this box out of the way and unearthed these itty bitty baby mice. There. Look at this. It looks like there's 4 living ones. This one's dead. This one's dead. And look, they ate its head off. There's its head. There's its head right there. Cute. Wonder if there's more in here. What do we do with these things? Hello? Any more babies in there? I don't know what to fucking do with them. Put them in here for now and take them inside. There. Some of your grimy insulation. Oop. Oop. There's the other one. There you are. Doop. Doop. There, it's warm in there. Oh, I can't believe they ate the head off their brother or sister. Get the fuck in there. Fuck. Alright, so here's how we're going to further secure the roof. We're going to strap that leg to this chimney here. secure there. Okay, and on this side, I'm just going to take this 2x4 and I'm going to screw it from the shanty to the leg of the coop. It's not a ton of holding power, but it should be just enough to keep this thing from lifting off the ground at all. Come on. Alright, so you can see it's wicked fucked up. This is where the glass was, but this support strut is totally rusted out. That glass is barely in. It's not attached anywhere. This support strut's rusted out. It's already super cold down in my workroom there, so it doesn't really matter if this is a perfect job. It just has to block the rain really and be somewhat secure. Alright, let's try to find some plexiglass to repair that skylight with. And this glass here keeps falling out, so maybe I'll shoot a screw in here to hold it, and then we'll caulk and tape all that. There. Alright, so this one fits kind of okay, but there's a huge gap here. So I think I'm going to recut this piece in plastic and Lexan and add 2 inches there. Keep that dimension and add 2 inches there. That way. See, it gunked up the blade real bad. That's why as I'm going, I'm lifting it up so it hits this other part of the blade. It's less gunked up. Oh, fucking dull drill bit. That's what you get when you run dull drill bits. I'll use the drill bit on the end of the screw to kind of pre-drill a hole in the steel where I want it. Right there. Alright. Take it out. Come on. Through that hole. And up into that hole. There we go, we got it. There. Alright, so to patch and secure all this, I'm going to try to use a combination of expanding foam, even though I don't have a nozzle for it. I've got some roofing asphalt, and I've got some black heavy-duty duct tape. Let's see if we could get the foam to come out. without a nozzle. Oh! Yeah. Ah, fuck. Come on. I'm gonna put the damn duct tape over it when it's wet. Hopefully that'll keep it from falling out. Fuck. Ah. There we go. Alright, this ain't silicone. This is roofing asphalt. The hard stuff. Alright, well, I think that's all fixed. I mean, it's pretty damn sealed. It's miserable working under there. I'll call it done for now and then add to it if need be. Yeah, everyone's looking and acting and doing pretty fine. We did lose one baby bird. A little one week older passed away. It was El Camino's kid. That's El Camino there, the black saddleback homer. And their little baby was about 5-6 days old, was sitting in that nest. And when the whole coop came down this way and everything fell to right here, she fell out the nest and was there and was found her in a big pile of rubble. She didn't look too banged up. She didn't look like she died from any trauma or anything. I think it was just the cold, being out of the nest in these freezing temperatures for even half a day, not underneath their parents. They couldn't make it. Just a damn shame. That was kind of a pain in the butt and kind of scary. I never really considered any of these coops like blowing over. And we've been through hurricanes and shit up here, but I never even... That was something. That was a lot of wind. But I don't think it's ever going to blow over again. I'm glad all the birds are okay. Well, I guess we're lucky that we were able to just tip the coop back up on its legs and it didn't, you know, shatter or something. But yeah, Brooklyn, we out here flying pigeons. Day in and day out. You know, I think it looks pretty good. It's clearer than it was before.